Hey guys, for Halloween, whoever's gonna be Dough Man, which is the big dough person that's made out of Play-Doh, that big dude, yeah. Well, whoever is going to be him, I'm gonna show you a makeup that you can do with Play-Doh on your face. Now, some of you that break out with like anything you put on your face, and don't do it, because I don't want you breaking out and it'll be my fault, okay? So it's all up to you. This is just something fun you can do, but if you're allergic to Play-Doh, if you get rashes really easy, then don't do it, okay? Okay. You can just take any random color. I'm not being Dogan though, okay? No. You can take any random color. I'm a dough girl when I was little, so yeah. I have a costume and everything. If anyone wants to buy it, you can. It's a really good costume. But anyway, I'm getting a purple and I'm patting it down. So it's kind of like the shape of my eye, okay? Okay. Now I'm gonna stick it on my eye and be like, okay, so now I need to fold in this corner right here. This is on shape of my eye. You guys do your shape of your eye. Okay? Okay. Alright. Now you have the Dough Man. I'm just kidding. Now what you have to do is realize, okay. Alright. So now when I open my eye, it bends right here. So I'm going to stick it right in the crease. I'm going to stick my eyelashes to it. And there you have your dough eyeshadow. I'm going to shape it so it looks better on my eye. So let me shape it really quick. There. I have, hold on. There I have my dough eyeshadow. Ooh! Now, you know the stuff that you get when you get fake eyelashes? That glue stuff that comes with it? Well, you just get that and you can glue it on your skin, because it's specially made for your skin, you know? My dad works to make stuff like that, and it's specially made for your skin, so you can stick this on your skin, you know? You can blink fine, I'm blinking fine, it sticks on. I don't even have the glue on it. But if you're trick-or-treating and it's nice and cold and cold and cold and cold and cold, I think it might frost and fall off. And then that just ruins your whole dough costume. It ruins your whole dough costume. So you have to do the dough makeup. So now I'm gonna do the other eye and shape it. And once you get the hang of it, you will do good. I'm doing it slower so you guys can see how to do it and so you guys can get the hang of it. Alright. Okay. There. On Halloween, I would take a lot more time in to do this, but it's not Halloween. Okay, so, see? I'm done with the eyes. Now it's time for the blush. Dough Man's blush is normally white because he's Dough Man, but I'm doing it white. But you guys can do it however. Whoop! You guys can do it whatever color you want because Dough Man is any color you want him to be. I'm not gonna go get my lash and glue it on here because I don't want it on here very bad. I'm just showing the parents of whoever's daughters are being Dough Man, so you know. I don't know how to do my daughter's makeup. Well, now you do. Okay? Okay. Obviously, you can see this eye turned out better than this eye. But that's alright. Now, just to let you know, on Halloween, you want to start early to do this. You want to start early to do this because you don't want to be like, oh, it started and I'm not done with your makeup. Because it takes a while to do this because you are forming your eye. Alright? And you gotta get enough glue on there for it to stick. And teenagers who want to be inappropriate, you can do this. You can do inappropriate makeup. Okay? Alright. Now time for the blush. I'm gonna roll it into a ball. And I'm gonna put it in the palm of my hand. Whoa. Makeup. Okay. Now I'm just squishing it down as hard as I can. You don't want it to be any bigger than this. Alright. Now here is my makeup. Well, I'm not done yet. But here's my blush. And remember, Dough Man can be any color. So any color you want your blush to be is the color your blush is gonna be. If you're at home and you're bored, home alone, whatever, you don't have to, you could be a 5-year-old and you're bored. Get some of your Play-Doh and put it on your face. And you can design your own Play-Doh. Like, design your own face and everything. So this is what I love about it. You can design your own makeup with Play-Doh. And it's the funnest because you can form it however you want it. You want to line these up on Halloween. You want to look like a good Dough Man. I may look weird, like my face looks weird when I'm patting this on, but I'm sorry. Okay. Oh man. See, because I don't have that glue stuff, but it's sticking on pretty good without it. But that means if you use the glue stuff, it will work even better. Okay. Now now it's time for the lips, and I'm gonna have green lips. Woo woo! And I'm just gonna get a little handful, and roll it, pull it like a snake. Stop. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the top. Oh no. Oh no. I'm falling apart. Okay. Now it doesn't taste very good, so don't look the work. And after Halloween, you glue this on your lips too. Okay? After Halloween, you may want to put lip gloss on and then put glue on the dough and then stick it on. It will stick perfect. I'm gonna put it on a little bit below. And Dough Man actually does have a mustache. You could make him a nice, lovely mustache. Hello, how are you today? And then the girl, which is who I am, doesn't have a mustache. Alright, so that's how you can become Dough Man and Dough Girl. And I don't know, I just did it for fun. I mean, I remember I was Dough Girl before. It was fun. Cause you just get the lash glue and and stick it on, and it's good. It's good for the night. Now pulling it off, it might hurt a little bit, but you just gotta do it fast, just like a band-aid. Okay? Now we've done makeup, we've done nails, we've done a lot of stuff in Play-Doh. You can do more things like a ring. You could dry it and wear it as a ring. Okay? It's a very cute ring. You gotta make it look cute. Okay? See? The ring. You punch somebody in the face, that'd be hard. It may even crack your ring. Okay? I know, I'm weird. But, yeah. Alright, I hope you guys like, and yeah, that's how to do your makeup. You should be Dough Girl or Dough Man for Halloween.